Rajesh sir's English class. I am here with a new topic. Here see, this is a phone. One phone. Here another phone. More than one. If it is one, we call it as single. More than one, it's a plural. We call it as phones. One is phone and more than one phones. In the same way, here this is a blazer, one, and this is another blazer. One blazer, more than one blazers, and the plural for the blazer is blazers. Here see some examples. See, pen. What is the plural for these? Pens. Here, class. What is the plural for these? Classes. Here, hero. What is the plural for this? Heroes. Here, photo. What is the plural for this? Photos. Here, story. What is the plural for this? Stories. Here, man. What is the plural for this? Men. Here, child. What is the plural for this? Children. Once observe, pen. Pens. For making plural, we added S here. Class. For making plural, we added ES here. And here hero, heroes. We added ES here. Photo, photos. We added S here. Observe here. Here end with O. And here the word is end with O. But we added ES here and we added S here. Here story, stories. Here we are omitting Y and in place of Y we are writing I. For making plural we are omitting Y here and adding I-E-S. Man. For making plurals we are changing the internal vowel for making plural form. Here man. A is changed as E in this. Here child, children. The plural form is completely different and we are adding here R-E-N. Here writing child is wrong. And here take the example of some subjects. They are looking like plurals but actually they are singular, like physics. It is a singular but it looks like plural. And here thousand, thousand, hundred. We are using a plural form only. And here the relations. Son in law. If you want to change it into plural form, we are adding S to the main word. Here see, sons in law. Step brother. Here for making it into plural, steps. It's wrong. What we have to do here? We have to add to brother. Step brothers. Here, for changing from singular to plural, we have some rules. If you learn this, you can easily use it in your conversation and in your writing. Our today's topic is singular nouns and plural nouns. uncountable nouns. And in this class, I will teach you singular and plural nouns. Here, singular means one, plural means many, more than one. Here, see the definition: a noun that indicates one person or thing called singular noun. Here, see student. If one boy and he is going to school, the boys, those who are going to school, we call them student. If it is the more than one, we are saying students. In the same way, ball, one ball. Here more than one, balls. Doctor, one doctor. If more than one doctor, we say doctors. Here, the plural noun, the noun that indicates more than one, we call it as plural noun. Here, students, balls, doctors. Here, for writing plurals, we have some rules, because here all the plurals are not formed by adding s. Here few rules are there. In this class, I will teach you what are the rules. Here, how to write plurals. Here the first rule, by adding yes to the word at the ending, we make plurals. It is possible with some nouns only. Here see, boy, boys, girl, girls, desk, desks, cow, cows. Here some nouns are there. We are adding es to that. But that words which we are adding es, they may be end with yes, sh, ch or x. We are adding es to that words. Here see, dish, dishes. Here try to pronounce without e. Is it possible? Dish, dish. Not possible. Okay, remember that keyword. Without s, we can't able to pronounce this word. Dish, dishes. In the same way, bus, buses. Here somewhere, here it is possible to write buses also. Here, remove the e and try to pronounce bus, bus. So it is not possible. So buses. In the same way, brush, brushes, match, matches, box, boxes. And here some more rules are there. In last rule is that the noun which ends with s, sh, ch and x, we added es. And here some nouns are there which end with o, and for that also we are using es for making plural form. Here mango, mangoes, potato, potatoes, tomato, tomatoes, buffalo, buffaloes, volcano, volcanoes. We are adding es for making plurals. And here the noun which end with o, we are adding es. But some nouns are there, they are ending with o, but we are not adding es to them. Instead of es, we are adding yes to that words. See the example, piano. Here we are adding yes, not es. Some words are there, you have to identify them and you have to memorize them. If you use wrong words in front of others, they humiliate us and they feel that you don't know English grammar rules. So this type of nouns you have to collect and memorize them. Here piano, pianos, kilo, kilos, logo, logos, memento, mementos. These words are ending with s, but we are not adding es. Instead of that, we are adding s. Here fifth rule, nouns ending with y preceded means before. Here y. The word is ending with y but preceded with consonant. A, E, I, O, U vowels and the remaining are consonants preceded by consonant and end with y. Here we are using IES for making plural form. Here see, here the y changed as I and here we are adding extra es. Y changed as I and we are adding es to these sentences. Here boy, baby, babies, lady, ladies, city, cities, army, armies, story, stories. And here the sixth rules, noun ending with F or FE. Here for making plural, we are adding VES. And here at the end, F and FE changed as V. Here, knife, knives, thief, thieves, leaf, leaves, life, lives. Here see, ending with FE. Here ending with F. But we are adding knives and thieves, leaves and next rule 7. A few nouns are there. They form the plural by changing the internal vowel. Here see woman, woman, goose, geese, foot, feet, tooth, teeth. And here some nouns are used only in plural. They do not have any singular like scissors, spectacles. And names of articles like jeans, shirts, trousers. And nouns look like plural but they are actually singulars. Like the names of the subjects, mathematics, physics, like word news. It is a group of news. So we are calling it as a news. And the diseases, measles and mumps. Here compound nouns. When we are adding, want to change into plural, we are adding yes to main verb. Sorry, main noun. Here daughter, it's a noun. Daughter-in-law, it's a relation name. For making it into plural, we are adding yes to the principal word or main word or noun. Daughters-in-law. In the same way, son-in-law, sons-in-law. Commander-in-chief, commanders-in-chief. Man of war. Here, man, it's a singular, and here in place of this singular, we are using the plural form men. Men of war. Here few nouns are there. We are adding en at the end to make plural form. Here see a few nouns that form the plurals by adding en. Ox. For making it into plural, we add en. Oxen. And here child. We are adding en. Children. Here the next rule, some plurals are there. They are same in singular and plural. Here see sheep. It is same in singular and plural. Deer. Same in singular and plural. Here fish. Same in plural. And here if you use fishes, it shows different kinds of fishes. And here 1,000. These are both singular and plural. Here, next rule. Nouns taken from foreign language and they are used as it is. Here, memorandum, memoranda, analysis, analysis, formula, formulae, and we also use formulas. Crisis, crisis. Here, analysis, analysis. And here the 14th rule, some nouns have different meanings. If you add s to that noun, it's not forms the plurals, but it different meaning. Here see, good. If you add a s to it, it changes the complete meaning. It's not the plural for this noun. Goods. Goods are merchandise which we use for sale. And here the force. Force means strength. But forces, it's completely different and it indicates troops. Here worksheet for singular and plural nouns. Worksheet, change the following words into plurals. Here the singular words given, you have to write the plural form of this word. Here first one is day, second one tax, third one taxi, and the fourth one lady, and fifth one mountain. And write the plural for these words. Keep watching. Thank you.